Rosti is Switzerland's very own potato dish, but it's popular all over the world. Making rosti is very simple and it's a great item for breakfast. So let's make some rosti today. I have some potatoes here which I have already boiled and cooled down. Some Swiss cheese, but if you can't find Swiss cheese, you can use any cheese of your choice. Some black pepper powder, salt, 1 egg yolk, and some melted butter. That's all we need. Okay, so let's start the process. It's better to let potatoes cool down after boiling, and you may even do the boiling step the night before. That way you have one step already done. So let's cut them into halves. And now using a grater, I will grate them into a bowl. Potatoes are ready. Now it's time to add rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna start with some melted butter. All of it goes in. And now to season up some salt. Black pepper powder. If you don't like the taste of black pepper, you can skip this. I'm adding 1 egg yolk, and this will act as a binding agent. Now it's time to mix. I'm using 2 forks, which makes the job a little bit easier. Okay, I think I have mixed enough, and now it's time to add in cheese. And again, I'm gonna do mix. Mixing is all done. Now it's time to make some patties. I'm gonna take a small portion in my hand, and first I'm gonna try to make a round shape and then press it to give it a patty shape. Traditionally, rostis are made in small frying pans where you fill up the whole pan with rosti mixture and it becomes a big rosti which you can cut and serve it to your family. But I'm making smaller patty portions as I find it easier to serve. Once the shaping is done, I usually put them in a baking sheet and then I keep on making them until all of the filling is over, and then I fry them. You can make them the night before, make the shapes, and then keep it in the refrigerator. The next day, just 5 minutes before frying, you can take them out from the refrigerator, and then all you gotta do is fry them and serve for breakfast. Now it's time to do the final step, which is frying. I'm adding some melted butter in a pan just to grease it a little bit. And once butter is heated enough, I'm gonna add 1 by 1 rosti pieces. We are gonna fry each side for a couple of minutes until it gets crispy golden brown color, and heat should be low. We don't want medium or high heat. I like to turn them one more time so that it's evenly cooked, and that way you get better crispiness. Rosti is one of the items which always reminds me of Switzerland, the beautiful country. This is a very simple recipe for making cheese rosti. If you are allergic to cheese, you can completely skip that and keep the rest of the ingredients same, and it will still give you delicious rosti. If you have any questions regarding the recipe, please put them on the comment box below and I will get back to you. I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked the recipe. Thank you all for watching.